Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when the iPhone Messages app keeps freezing. There you are, about to send or read a message when the Messages app suddenly freezes up. The screen goes blank black or white on iPhone, then the Messages app crashes. If you're questioning why, then you've landed in the right place. We'll explore the reasons why the Messages app keeps freezing unexpectedly on your iPhone. After that, we'll list quick and easy ways to bring the Messages app back to working order. Let's start. Why does your Message app keep freezing on my iPhone? A variety of factors can lead to this issue. For instance, the Messages app is malfunctioning. The message settings are configured wrongly. The phone's operating system is corrupted or needs to be updated. The network or other settings cause conflicts with the Messages app. Unknown malware attacks your phone or the hardware is damaged. Now, go through some workable solutions of how to fix Messages app freezing on iPhone. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Work your way down until the Messages app works normally on your device again. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. End the Messages app process, then relaunch. Whenever an app becomes frozen or unresponsive, the go-to trick is always to close it manually. This truth also works in saving a freezing and crashing iPhone Messages app. Doing so helps clear the corrupted data and cache from the temporary memory and force the app to reload from scratch. Here's what to do. On an iPhone with Face ID, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to bring up the app switcher. On an iPhone with Home button, press the Home key twice to open the app switcher. Swipe left or right to position the Messages app. Finally, swipe up the Messages app to shut it down. After a few minutes, tap the Messages app icon to open it again to see if it works now. Shut down the iPhone, then reboot. When the Messages app freezes up on an iPhone, sometimes the device just needs a fresh restart to get rid of bugs and glitches. A power cycle can free up the RAM usage on the device, then spare more resources to make the apps perform better. Under this scenario, the Messages app crashing on iPhone should be resolved. Let's move on to how to do it. If you use iPhone 10 or newer, press and hold either volume key and the power key. If you use iPhone 8 or older, press and hold the power key. When it brings up a power off slider on the screen, move it to the right. After your iPhone completely turns off, press and hold the power key again. Finally, the Apple logo will pop up. Just let go of the key and let your iPhone boot up. After the restart, see if you manage to unfreeze the iPhone Messages app and make it accessible now. Adjust the Messages app's settings. If you find the Messages app keeps getting stuck on your iPhone upon receiving each single message, it's possible that old data and cache gets corrupted. Try to remove the old texts and files stored in the Messages app to see if the issue is fixed. Here's what you need to do. Head to the Settings app. Navigate to Messages. If needed, choose Apps first, then select Messages. Next, scroll down to find and tap Keep Messages. If the Forever option is ticked, choose other options based on your preference. Once done, the system will automatically delete the messages that are not in the selected period. Now, take a look to see if the Messages app frozen on iPhone is resolved. Toggle off iMessage, then enable it. If you find the Messages app started crashing and can't send or receive iMessages, attempt to disable this feature. This can refresh the iMessage system to fix any potential glitches. Here's what you need to do. Go to the Settings app. Navigate to Messages. If needed, choose Apps first, then select Messages. Scroll down to locate the iMessage option. Tap the toggle to turn it off. Wait for a few seconds. Tap the toggle again. See if it fixes the crashing Messages app on your iPhone. Remove VPN files. VPN files can sometimes conflict with the Messages feature, so remove it and the VPN app. Then, remember to test if the Messages app stops freezing or crashing on your iPhone so that you can open up the text messages to continue the conversation. Here's what you need to do. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Choose VPN and Device Management. Select VPN. Locate your VPN file and tap the blue information icon next to it. Select Delete VPN. Once done, go back to the home screen. Long press the VPN app and remove it. Sign out of Apple ID, then sign back in. This is a trick from the official forum, tested by the iPhone users to fix Messages app crashing on iPhone. It might not work for anyone, but you can give it a shot if you know your Apple ID account and password. It's said that this step helps re-establish any connection with iMessage. Here's what you need to do. Head to the Settings app. Tap your device name. Tap the Sign Out button. Wait for a minute. Then, enter the Apple ID account and password to sign back in. If you're lucky, then the Messages app will no longer crash or freeze. Upgrade to the latest iOS version. Apple will periodically release iOS updates that include new features and fixes for existing bugs. So, install the software update to see if it contains a bug fix for your case where the Messages app keeps crashing on an iPhone. Here are the detailed steps. After connecting your iPhone to Wi-Fi and a power source, open the Settings app. Tap on General. Choose Software Update. When your device shows you a new iOS version after checking additional updates, just tap the Download and Install button to trigger the update. Once the latest update is installed, open the Messages app. The crashing and freezing problem should be no longer there. Revert iPhone settings to their defaults. If your iPhone still freezes up every time you open the Messages app, consider resetting all the settings. This will reset all of your preferences and settings back to their default values, including the network settings, keyboard dictionary, location settings. The good news is that it'll keep all your personal data, files, and apps intact after the reset. If you are fine with that, here's how to do it. Open the Settings app, navigate to General, transfer or reset iPhone, then Reset. A menu will appear from the bottom. Choose Reset All Settings. To confirm, enter passcode or Apple ID password if required. Then choose Reset All Settings again. After that, open the Messages app and hope it no longer freezes or crashes. Talk to the technician. If the iPhone Message app is still freezing and crashing, then your last resort is to do a factory reset, as it'll wipe clean your phone to clear the bug causing the Messages app to freeze up. Your saved data and media files will be lost forever if they are not backed up. If you don't have a backup, then it's recommended to seek assistance from the manufacturer, because the issue sometimes might be related to the Apple Message server side when the Messages app becomes frozen on iPhone. By contacting Apple, you can determine if the server is not running or the internal components are broken or loose. And there you have it, folks. Hope the solutions in this video help fix Messages app freezing and crashing on iPhone. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.